Welcome to Winter Wonderland. We're supposed to get about 50 inches of snow. We have got, I think at least, let me show you. We used to have a stair here that I don't see no more. This is our front porch. Looks like I think we already got like 2 feet. So it looks like we're gonna get more because it's still snowing. Snow is about till my knee high. Alright folks, if you live in Colorado, make sure to stay safe and don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. See you on my next video. Until then, sayonara.